Sino ba si Pastor Kibuloy?
First of all, I am a spiritual person. Kasi what doth it profit the man if he gains the whole world and lose his soul? So set na yon. Hindi mo na ako mababago doon. Yung A to Z of salvation, natapos ko na. Yan ay inuulit-ulit na lang ng mga bagong pasok ng mga members. Kaya pag ako tinawag na appointed Son of God, Son of the Spirit. Anong Spirit na yon? The Word of God are Spirit. Pag ikaw pumasok na yon sa iyo, yun ang magiging mentalidad mo. So our influence as a spiritual kingdom nation will be to overshadow all of this and enlighten people if they wanted to be enlightened. But to change us into becoming worldly again, it never happens.